So inside the room of the clinic, so we're gonna wait the doctor. So if matapong kaking karayong ikang aking kamampangan and no pain, okay, so we're gonna wait. That name, Joy is different, right?
Joyce?
Yeah, Joyce, not Joyce, other. But Joyce now she look pretty.
Yeah.
This one is no pain, no pain. It's not real hurt. Okay.
Is ganda.
You know the word that is ganda. Sabi nga dito, is ganda. It's really good. And I like the start right now. Oh, open, yeah. Pag mano ka sa what you call that. No pain, no gain. It's really good. And that's the drip. This one, is almost like 500 degrees Celsius. I think 500. What you call that? ml. So okay na, yun na. In here. Oops. This one is take like a 15 minutes. Yun na, diba? Ganun talaga. Tis ganda nga. But I like parang ano lang ng, what you call that? Parang ano lang ng karayom. Kagat lang ng langgam. Okay, got it in here. And that one. And ayun na yung karayom. So we're gonna rate this one. This one I think almost like a 15 minutes. And this one is really good. No pain, okay? And this one is hindi lang pamantay dito. Yes, good morning everybody. Luzon, besides at Mindanao. And of course, at naman kung paano may paljoke, okay, siyempre we always inspire, never expire. Today is very special day. It's a day. I think Webis na today. Webis na pa today. Well, Webis na pa. And of course, the weather is so nice and it was so cool. And at the month of October, November, and December is getting cold. So, samahan mo ako for today. Mga jobber cars, the glutathione. Yes, alam mo naman ang glutathione, hindi lang pang antioxidant and hindi lang pang star margarine. And of course, ito ay hindi lang pang anti-deodorant. Yes, it's a lot of benefits are inside our body, especially like gusto ko yung dextrose, it's electrolytes kasi may ibig na tayo. Yes, sometimes like once a month, yes, nagpapa-glutathione tayo. Trip ako, especially right in here in Korea. They are #1 in manufacturer and of course sa kanilang mga plastic surgeon at saka sa kanilang mga like the vitamins like the glutathione drip. Manufacturer is #1 and sa kanilang technology. Siyempre, we always inspired, never expert, and I give you later. Right now, the weather is so nice. It was so cool. Look at the beautiful weather. Kumusta na ko po? Sana natin magpampayang malatyo po keko man. And of course, ohayo gozaimasu to arigatou and konbanwa right in there in Japan. And merci beaucoup, bonjour in Paris, France. So, it's a lovely day. Yeah, siyempre pag sinabing glutathione drip, yan, trending yan sa Pilipinas, lalo na sa mga artista. Siyempre, hindi na sa mga artista, even although sa ordinary people, sa mga ordinary person, we work in abroad. Siyempre, malaking investment niya sa katawan para malakas tayo. At we need to be healthy, and especially our liver, at sa ating mga calcium indalo sa loob ng ating katawan. I like it. It's okay. Sometimes it's only like once a month. I will do that if I have money. If I don't have money, need to work hard. If we work hard, and of course we can buy food and we can pay our bills. At saka we can send back home in the Philippines. Yeah, pag hindi tayo kumita ng pera, ano mangyayari sa atin? Hindi tayo makakakain. Siyempre, we always inspired, never expired. Unang-una ang ating kasipagan, ang ating kayamanan. Saan man tayo magpunta sa buong mundo. Parang I like this angle. Paborito ko tong angle na to. Wow, it's such a lovely day. So I wanna go in there, but I'll have coffee. What? Pachimigising ko nga ba? When I wake up in the morning, I'm craving a coffee. So while I'm gonna walk in there, I give you a little bit tour. Oh my God. Nangangalay ng aking kamay. Nangangalay din yung kamay ko pa dito guys because I'm passing this underpass, such a beautiful view at saka yung kanilang lights. Right in here, make a big shout out sa ating mga taga catch right in here, such a beautiful view. Look at that. Light on, that's up, and like to the left. So I'm gonna go passing on set. Malapit lang ito yung like the clinic that I used to go before. Oh my God, right in here. Such a lovely day. It's not so much busy for today. I think in the weekend it was a Friday. It was Friday. Tomorrow it might be really busy. So we'd like to invite you to come and visit at Club Bird that are okay. May music naman, oy. Oh my God, very grabe ang music like in there because it's such a beautiful like the ambience in there. I like it, but I need to avoid some music because alam mo naman ang CPR. So alright, I'm gonna keep on walk. So I'm gonna stop by a little bit sa like the vending machine because like we can afford to buy coffee and we go right in the coffee fancy shop. Syempre, such a lovely day. And look at that sun. And look at the cloud in here. Dahil mag-Halloween na, nagbibenta na sila ng mga Halloween costume. Wow, I love this one. Not trending yung mga labubu, you know? I wanna buy this sa ating mga sa ating mga sa ating mga kapwapuhan. I'm gonna go stop by right in there at the, what you call the coffee shop nila dyan. Coffee shop. No, not the coffee shop, the vending machine. My best friend vending machine. Wala ko, wala na yung vending. This one example, I have a 400. I love the coffee. Every time I choose this sugar coffee, so that's what makes it all happen. Like I had a grip on my sa aking arm, so right here I think I wouldn't vending coffee machine. We're gonna wait to hear the coffee. But it's really good. And it is strong. It tastes like a premium coffee. Wow. I like the lights here and I like the animals. So I can almost. Alright. Almost. And okay. Here we go. I love coffee while on walk. So malapit na po tayong mga jumper guys right in here. So eto, andito sa ilalim ng tulay. Sa mahilig lumabag sa ilalim ng tulay. Okay, sa mga mahilig lumabag sa ilalim ng tulay. It's really good. This one is located in the middle of Euro and Sipobion Hill. Right in here inside. Wow, such a lovely, beautiful day. Wow. Okay, malapit na rin ako. Charan! And with my coffee. And we feel like super blessed for today because when I wake up in the morning, I'm still breathing. Yeah, of course. If we not breathe when we wake up in the morning, we're not super blessed. At siyempre na naman hinihiling ko sa Panginoon when I wake up in the morning. I'm strong and I'm still breathing so I can do work. So right in here, it was located. They called it Hanner. They're really good people. So here, I'm gonna go here. So meron din silang clinic if I'm sick. Dito rin ako nagpupunta. So I going on up. Yes, that's a beautiful, lovely day. I think hindi busy today. So let's find out. I think it's busy. Medyo busy sila. Right, we're gonna go in here. Wow. So we're gonna go right in here in clinic, right, the room of the clinic. So we're gonna wait the doctor. So if matapong kaking karayong ikang aking kamampangan and no pain, no gain. So we're gonna wait. That name? Joy is different, right? Joyce? Yeah, Joyce. Not Joyce. Other. But Joyce now she look pretty.
Yeah.
This one is no pain, no gain. It's not real hurt. Okay.
Is ganda.
You know the word that is ganda. Sabi nga dito, is ganda. It's really good. And I like the style right now. Oh, open, yeah. Pag mano ka sa what you call that, no pain, no gain. It's really good. And that's the drip. This one, is almost like 500 degrees Celsius. I think 500. So what you call that, ml? So okay na, yun na. In here. Oops. This one is take like a 15 minutes. Yun na, diba? Ganun talaga. Tis ganda nga. But I like parang ano lang ng, what you call that? Parang ano lang ng karayom. Kagat lang ng langgam. Okay, gonna inhale. And that one. And ayun na yung karayom. So we're gonna wait this one. This one I think almost like a 15 minutes. And this one is really good. No pain, okay? And this one is hindi lang pang anti-deodorant, hindi lang pang star margarine, and of course, hindi lang pang antioxidant. It's really good, a lot of benefits for our internal organs, hindi na sa ating sa liver, sa ating stone, gallstone, or everything. Siyempre, and because we work in the night time and we're getting old, so I decided to put like a supplement on my body, especially this one, the glutathione drip. And of course I like it because it's electrolytes para hindi tayo, para mabagal ang pagtandaan natin. Siyempre, pag hindi tayo lumakas, so naging sa ating katawan, we need to be like healthy and strong, di ba? Wala na akong sikreto pa. Inilathala ko na lahat dito sa YouTube. Of course, we always inspired, never expired. Not yet done. We're gonna wait. This one, I think it's almost like 15 minutes. Oh my God, mga jacket, I think it's almost like, maybe like a 2 minutes more show. And it's still hot, and then we can see it's still dropping. And the medicine, and of course the liquid glutathione drip and the days are still dropping. So this one I think is almost like 500. So we're gonna wait and then we're gonna go home. And I'm hungry, I'm starving. I wanna cook like Filipino food for today. So this one is really good. Look at that. So we have no pain, no gain. We're gonna wait him and I'm gonna show you around outside. So I think it's done with overcast. Look at that. And of course, and look at that, look at the boiling water right in here. Isagad na natin. So for mga ka-Davercats, we always inspire them to expert. Please do subscribe for my channel and comment down below. And of course, the glutathione drip in here in Korea. If you ask more questions, just leave a comment. Maraming po salamat sa inyo lahat. And have a nice day and have a wonderful day.
You need a shot.
I will do.
Yeah.
Okay. It might be like
Already tired.
yeah, I do that. Alright, here we go. Oh, it's good.
Yeah.
Alright, finally. So it's done. So one minute pa. Para hindi mag-block.